Hey friends, this is one of these older Rainbird sprinkler systems, and they're actually really nice once you understand how to use them. Pretty simple. I'm going to show you how to set up a custom schedule on today's quick video. Now this is the ESP6TM, but again it's going to work very similar for these kind of dial-in settings that Rainbird had on those older models. So again, let's go ahead and set up a custom schedule. The first thing we need to do is make sure that this little dial down here is moved over to custom. We're then going to come up and use our dial system. So let me show you kind of how this works. One, we can actually have the sprinklers just set to off. This is what we have them on, obviously during the winter months here in Colorado. And then we have auto, and auto is what you need to have it on in order for the schedule to work and automatically come on. Now, what I like to do first is make sure that my time, the current date and time settings are correct. So we can look up here and we can see this says Wednesday, which it is at 3:26 p.m. So my time is correct. If yours is a little off, go ahead and fix that first. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this dial all the way over today. You'll see this will show Wednesday. Again, you can use these little arrows right here, either up or down. So down would go to Tuesday, up would go to Thursday. So again, we know it's Wednesday, I'm going to keep it there. Next, we're going to go to the hour. And again, you can see this is the hour. Same thing, dial it in with these little arrows. Up if you want to go up, down if you need to go down. And then the same thing with the minutes, up and down. So once you have that dialed in, again, as soon as you turn the dial, everything will be locked in. Next, we're going to dial in a custom schedule based off of the days. So you can see we have Monday through Sunday. Once your dial is pointed towards the day, you can see we have two options. Basically, it's on or off. So if I wanted to have this off on Monday, again, just move the arrows. Again, I want it on. Here in Colorado, we're allowed to water on conservative water schedule 3 days per week. And so you're going to see that 3 of these days are turned on. So Monday's turned on, Tuesday, off, Wednesday, on. Again, adjust using these arrows if you want to change that. Thursday, off, Friday's on, and then Saturday and Sunday are both off for me. So again, that's fairly intuitive. Just pick the days that you want the sprinklers to automatically come on. Okay, next we're going to dial in the amount of time you want the sprinklers to come on. So the duration. Now these numbers represent our zones. You can have up to 6 zones with this specific Rainbird model. And so for zone 1, maybe that's the backyard back towards our fence. You can see we have it for 10 minutes. Again, use the arrows if you want to increase that or decrease that. 10 minutes is really good for us. We've got 4 zones. So as you can see, each of these, this is zone 2, that's backyard, 3 is front yard, and 4 is front yard as well. All of those are set to 10 minutes. Again, adjust as you see fit. We don't have a 5 or 6 zone, so as you can see, 5 is set to 0. 6 is also set to 0. Again, if you're not using any of these zones, maybe you only have 2 zones, make sure the others are set to 0 using the arrows. Okay, the last thing we want to do is we want to adjust our start times. This is going to be when the sprinklers actually kick on. And you can actually have them kick on 3 different times during those days that you've set. So in the first time, this is going to be 5 a.m. for us. That's what we like. Again, adjust it up or down if you want to go higher. And then we also have number 2 time is set for the evening. So we water once in the morning, once in the evening after the sun sets to really make sure that water has a chance to soak into our grass. Again, you have the option for 3 different times during the day, but as you can see, our 3rd time is set to 0. The way you do this, again, use the arrows. You just have to make sure it's in that 12 a.m. and then the next time you push this down, you'll have a blank option. That means you don't utilize that 3rd time. And basically that's it. Again, here's our times, but we can just go all the way over to auto, make sure that's on, and things will work really great. Now this is for program A. You can see over here we have program A. There's also a program B, so you can set up a whole different program with custom settings on B. Again, we're on A. So again, it's a fairly older system, but it's very, very nice and easy and intuitive once you kind of understand the basics. And it's really, really worked great for us even all these years later. I hope that's helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, we make a ton of these little DIY help tutorial videos to make your life just a little easier. Subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.